slide rafts will automatically inflate. It's unlikely, but in a water landing, slide rafts detach from the aircraft and are used as life rafts. There are also 4 window exits over the wings. When opened, ramp slides will automatically inflate. If needed, lifelines are located in overhead compartments above the window exits. In a water landing, do not use the window exits unless advised by a crew member. All 8 exits are marked with overhead signs. As you locate the 2 exits nearest your seat, remember they may be behind you. If you must evacuate the aircraft, exit path lights on or near the floor will guide you to an exit, and a change in color or exit sign will help you locate the exit. For everyone's safety, leave all carry-on bags behind. Please refer to the safety card near your seat for the operation of the exit doors on this aircraft. It's also unlikely, but if necessary, oxygen masks will drop from above your seat and from the restroom ceilings. If a strap appears and you cannot reach the mask, pull down on the strap to access your mask. Firmly pull the mask to extend the plastic tube and start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, slip the elastic band over your head, and tighten the straps. Oxygen is flowing even if the bag does not inflate. Put your mask on before helping others. Should you need it, you'll find a life vest with a water-activated light or destroying laboratory smoke detectors. U.S. law also requires passengers to comply with lighted signs and crew member instructions. We'll be taking off soon, so please bring your seat back up, close your tray table, fasten your seatbelt, and return your headrest and footrest to their original position. Food and beverages must be collected or put away for departure. We'll be coming by to collect any remaining items.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video guys, me and Steven are heading to Phoenix, and we're gonna spend weekends there in Phoenix because we're gonna attend a Comic-Con, and at the same time we're gonna visit Steven's friend too. So this is Nana missed a plane and we're ready to take off na. So it's been like 2 years since nakasakay ko plane. Because of all this COVID thing, yeah, travel restrictions, ug unsa pa na diha close, ug muna siya guys, ug mo na I think we need it. Bakasyon pud mi panagsa or out of town kay we're really busy last winter. Yeah, and then muna siya. I hope we will enjoy there in Phoenix. And I heard it's so hot in there, so I don't know how my body gonna like adapt to it. So muna siya guys. Dagay mga butangan ng hitabo before may aning a flight. I hope our flight will be fine, you know. Kay yesterday, a day before sa among flight karon, is that our car get like there's something going on with our car nga dili mi ka drive, or we don't want to risk anything, or we don't want to risk going to Denver to drive, and then we will be stuck in the middle of the road or stuck in the traffic, and we're worried that our car won't be like working anymore because the battery light of our car was on, so we had to nangita mig paagi nga dili mo drive sa among sakyanan, and then yeah, so last night we decided we're just going to take the bus going to Vail, and then take the peak one going to Denver Airport. So
Flight attendants, please be seated for departure.
So mao to siya, but everything works out. Nanamian his plane, so I hope everything works good, because we've been like a lot of things going on before sa among trip. I don't know what's the thing behind it. So mao to siya, guys, and then I'm gonna film too their landing in Phoenix Airport. So, and for this video, guys, I'm just showing the take off and the landing of the plane, and we guys, after an hour later. Yeah, so I took a nap during our flight because there's a turbulence. So hapit na may nag-anam-anam na siya. I mean, maybe 15 to 20 minutes we're gonna land soon. So mo na siya guys, mo na ang Phoenix. So hapit na Mimo landing. It's my first out of state since I got here way back 2 years ago. So because I'm stuck with wala mi kadaag-laag tungod aning COVID, but I know bisan pa sa mga panghitabo no, COVID will like teaches us a lesson.